Welcome back to the channel, and once again, if you can't tell by the title, we got an unboxing to do. This will be number two of the 8 packages that we'll be getting from One Stop. This is the what is it, Thrill Climbers set that we have in here, and if you can't tell, we got the boxes in the box still in there, and crack this boy open. And while we're doing that, I don't know what that is, get that out of there. I did get a subscription. If you haven't seen the last video, go check that out. I kind of went in more depth of what we're kind of doing here, but we got a subscription to all the car culture from One Stop. We are getting 2 boxes as well because I really would like to get all those gold chases. And I talked about last time all the like the gold chases a little better than the all black ones. That's kind of what I really wanted to do this, and in an area where it's hard to get things, and this seemed like the best idea. And I don't mind reselling cars. I do a lot of selling, trading, sell to my friends. They buy a bunch of stuff, and I usually try to hook them up. But so I don't mind having extra cars hanging around. It's not a big deal. And then you guys saw last video, go check that out, because we did good. But hopefully we can keep the trend going. Like I said, this is the Thrill Climbers. I believe that would be Q case. I might be learning. We're probably still a little late on the video, so we're running behind trying to get this thing going, but we keep getting stuff in, so we gotta still do the thing. We're gonna open this up. I'm trying not to see. I don't want to see any of this. And this is about the same view you guys have. You can see up there, whatever. But we're gonna try to pull these out one at a time and not pull the chase till the end, if I can avoid it. First car, oh man. If I haven't talked about it, Mitsubishi is my absolute favorite. I do have a couple myself, a couple Mitsubishi, a Galant VR4 and a Dodge Colt, which is same thing as a Mitsubishi Mirage. This stupid thing back here. So this is actually one of my dream cars, an Evo 6, and that is gonna stay in the collection for sure. That is probably gonna be my favorite one from the set. Oops, pulled 2, but that's the second. And the Porsche. I haven't actually seen the Porsche yet. Big Porsche guy. What do you think? Thrill Climbers? I know it's supposed to be like a hill climb. You do see rally cars do hill climb. Look, this is kind of rally-ish. I know this set's kind of weird. I know you guys have seen it. There's one car, I don't know if it totally fits, but it's all right. Okay, this should be another Porsche, which I think I might actually, I don't know. This one's so goofy looking, kinda. Same time, it's kind of cool that it's goofy looking. Now I'll go towards it. Ew. That sucks. I don't want to look in the box because I don't want to see if there's a chase. A little bent card, that's no fun. The Subaru, the Bug Eye, also a very cool one. I know they haven't done a lot of these, and you don't know, I'm newer to this, so I actually haven't seen any Bug Eyes. I thought this was a new model, but very cool one. Kind of goes with the set. It's kind of like a rally car type theme. Let's see if we can get, hopefully this one's flat. There we go. It should flatten out. Put it in protector. There's that one. We got a Lancia. Jesus. Look at that. Sucks. I have to just crack one, huh? The Lancia Delta, another rally car, rally legend in the old Group B days. That's definitely going to be a keeper for me. I really dig that one. Once again, I think it goes with all these, you know, rally type cars, and I believe I've heard the chase takes a spot out of that car. So go back to where you're pulling. Yep, and there's the Mercedes. this is 2025, we'd have a chase, but it's not. I don't quite understand this one. I mean, I am just a dumb drag racer, but I don't know about this on a hill climb. Maybe they do that in Europe a lot. I'm American, so I do America things. Kind of weird in the set, I feel like. He's kind of the odd one out. But there we go, that one. It's not bad looking though. Not hating on it. It all blacked out is definitely cool. And let's see.
Let's go gambling!
Nope.
Aw, dang it.
That's no fun. We got another Lancia, which good one, and actually that one's gonna be good and carded, so that's nice. We do have another box, which look at that. The boxes are damaged. So why the cards were beat up? Sucks. Got one more shot. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a great feeling this time that we're gonna be able to score anything. I haven't really seen a whole lot for sale. Makes me kind of think they're gonna be hard to get. So let's see if we can kind of rip through these. Oh, started on the Subaru side. Another Subaru. Oop, how did I do that? A Lancia. Another Subaru. And we'll go back towards the Evo. Of course, another Evo, and we should have Porsche. Oh, why am I doing that? Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Ah, I'm an idiot. We still got two cars. Okay, this will be another Benz. Okay, now's the moment of truth. Come on,
let's go gambling! Aw, dang it.
That sucks. Dang, we were on such a good streak. I had a feeling that unfortunately a bad feeling that we weren't gonna make it this time. And although it is a really cool set, would have loved to have the chase. So now I got to try to find one. That's gonna be fun. I do have some trade stuff, so we'll get one. We'll have one up here. I need to maybe stick it on the wall back here or something like that. But well, it's not as fun as the last time. We got the little gold counter. We'll stick it up there, up here somewhere. See where we got. Unfortunately, we got a goose egg this round. After all though, we did score last time, so that's awesome. And well, we'll have 6 more cases to go, so hopefully I will see you on the next one.